dopeNL.
Now let's get started.
Hello and welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the channel if you've been here before and you've seen what's going on here with dopeNL, and welcome to the channel if this is your first time coming into the channel. Now today I'm going to be going through some sampling techniques and editing techniques on the MPC One. Right, okay, getting back to the sampling, what we've got here, I'm going to set up my levels. So I've got a nice decent signal going into the MPC. We set the BPM a minute ago on the deck. Matched it to 128 BPM. Let's get our level. So I'm going to put a nice. Let's have a look. So first you're going to make sure your balance of levels are good. So looking at the input here and over here, you're going to look at what's coming out of here like this. So I want it nice and hot as possible. Let's put it over there. See, the level's nice and balanced on the MPC. Nice and so we've got it hitting 0 here at the moment. Alright, so that's the level on the mixer sorted. It's back over here. Let's reset the 0 there. There's the level on the back of the MPC, and we're going to try and bring that up now to make it nice. Right, see, it's clipping there. I'm going to back that off until it stops clipping. Okay, that's where we get a nice hot signal. See, it's a bit left and right, so it's just can adjust that there. Okay, right, so I know that the song's 2 minutes 30. Right, so let's set ourselves off. Okay, well that was actually only 1 minute something, so I'm gonna just assign it to, do I want to assign it to a new program? Yeah, really. So I'm going to change the program 3. There's another one there. No, just put it on program 3 because I don't think there's anything on that. That's empty. Pad, just put it on A1 for now, and keep. Should have named it. Okay, so edit sample, just name it. ACC for acapella. Yolanda, your time is up. Oops. There we go. A big click there. 1 minute. And I know the BPM is 128. So let's set that correctly. So that way if we're going to do any warping. Right, let's just save the sample. And then we're going to editing. Save current sample. Samples, SDs, acapellas. Save. There we go, nice one. So that's all nicely saved. What I'm going to do, let's see probably how much memory did that take, 2%. I'm going to start a new project, I think, so I can edit that, show you some tips and tricks into my further deeper editing. But that's how you get a nice signal into the MPC via sampler, making sure your levels are good, it's not peaking. There's nothing on there. Inserts, fortunately that's not on, it's disabled. There's a reverb on there, funnily enough. That must be saved with the project that's on there, but let's go to new project, main, sorry. Alright, now I'm going to start a new project, so let's just go new project, don't save, because we saved that sample already. Open an empty project, browse, my files, places, this one of samples, SD, Acapella, Yolanda. How big is that? 21 megabytes. It's not bad actually, is it? Because that's like a minute and 20. Should move that really, I mean. Your time is up. I wonder how you can what I do is just delete that, go to this pad, bring it in. It's funny because I've deleted it off that pad, it's not there anymore, but it's still playing back. Let's delete both of them for a laugh. How to freak out your MPC. Anyway, that's not what we're here for. What we're going to do with this sample, because I notice there's a few, oops, daisy, a few high peaks in there, which I'm going to magically change. They're quite often, aren't they? Tell you what, it would be nice, right, if you could actually touch your finger and say, right, I want the MPC to play from there, but no, you can't do that. I have to bring the whole start point. Like I said before, start point. Yeah. The point of having your sample in a program, first of all, gives you the ability to go note on. There you go. And then we can then play with our envelopes, because we've got a nice quick attack. If I put the release at 127, it'll play to the end. Look. See? So then I stop it to where I want it to stop. And you can also do fun things with the playing. We could delete that out of there. I can add a ring modulation on there. You can't do that on an audio track. Bit crusher. High pass filter. Clipper. but we don't need any of that. So we'll do drum effects. See, what I don't like about these parts of the effects, you have to go in there and edit them. Nice vocals. I wouldn't use that reverb, I don't think, for vocals anyway. Delete. What do you use? Non-linear reverb. Didn't even know that was in there. Spring reverb, probably. How seconds is this thing? 2.5. Go over to the low cut. Don't need to affect anything below 1000k. See, then I would probably take something like that and put that on a send, so now I can send as much as I want to it. See, there's another thing to note. When you're adding sends, right, you're actually sending sounds all the way through the mixer and through, so adding gain to it, which people don't realise. Which you might go, why has that got louder? Yeah, because look, I just sent 4 signals to. Even though there's nothing actually on the buses. Some audio tracks. I hope you're all good in the world. Take care, take it easy, and see you next time. Cheers.
dopeNL.